Hey. I just told you. Relax. Hey. You go. Hey. We black. You gotta calm down. They already think we gonna act a damn fool. Calm down. No. Hey. I'm gonna take you to the bathroom and whoop your ass. That's what I'm gonna do. Take you to the bathroom and whoop your ass. Can I get a straw? Yeah, thank you. Relax. I got a straw coming. You bite on the straw. Hey. Look. Do. Look. It's a straw. You can bite on the straw. Look. You can bite on the straw. You ain't fucking with that? Look. Woo. Alright. I need you to calm down. Because I tried to let you go in there and sleep with your mama. You woke me up. That's what you get. Hey. Put your feet down. Keep your feet down. He's spoiled. That's what he do. Yeah, he want his mama. Anytime I don't give him what he want his mama. Look, he reaching for me. He want to lean on his mama. No. Relax. No tears. He just making. That's what I'm saying. He ain't even. Bruh, relax, man. Sit in the seat. Hold him. No. He all right? Buddy. Relax. What you want? He got jet lag. Hey. Now I must say, he is off that what's his name right now? That melatonin. See that melatonin whooping his ass right now. Uh-oh. Okay. What this is right here? Huh? Energy booster. Okay. You see, you drive me to drink, boy. I don't even know what this is. What the fuck? Listen. Huh. Stop. How you gonna stop pushing my hands, man? Sit, man. Give me a high five. Woo! Let's clap. How about that? Clap. Stop that. trying to grab me and some more shit. It's alright. You okay, buddy? Get you some food. Then you eat some food, your mama be like, oh, that boy done eat some food. Hey, no passing. We ain't got no passing right now. Go do what you want to do. No. Come on. You can't walk over there. You can't walk over there. You can't walk. Walk this way. Hey, your ass gonna get whooped. You want whooping? Give me that. Come here. Come here. Don't get whooped out here. You going. Don't, cause I'm close to the edge. Don't, cause I'm close to the edge. I forgot what song that was. But look. You messing up. Where your other sock at? Here you go. Relax. I'm telling you, I'm gonna take your ass upstairs. Alright? Relax. Who taught him how to fall out? He figured it out on his own. See? He be hitting his head, fall out of shit. Damn, man. Don't nobody care about that. Don't nobody care about that. I understand you tired. I know you tired.
So that is Baby King Jr. as they were on their table eating dinner, crying, being stubborn, shouting, like all in the name of disturbing the father. So what do you think about this and how King is literally reacting? Comment, like, share, and also subscribe. Bye.